Hello everyone, I am Hardik Thakkar from Caretit Solution Private Limited. Today we will discuss about POS extra charge module. So first of all need to install module. So go to the apps and install it. This is our module point of sale extra charges. This is the information of this module or index file of this module. Now I am telling you what is the use of this module. This module allows the cashier to quickly give a percentage of sale extra charge to a customer. Here cashier is add sale extra charge on customer's POS order. So check the functionality, how it works. Go to the point of sales and go to the POS session. Here you can see the button of extra charges. If you click on extra charges, then open the pop-up of extra charges with default 10%. If you can add plus 10, then it is possible, and if you can plus 20, then it become a 40. It is possible. Now create a one POS order with extra charge. So here you can see the actual price of this product is 2,950. Then add extra charge with 10%. Here you can see the extra charge of 10% is add to 2,950 rupees. The actual price of this product, or the price of 10% extra charge means 295 extra charge is add in the total amount. So go for payment, and also you can see the extra charge 10% extra charge is also added in a print receipts. Here is the order receipt, and you can see here 295 is the 10 extra charge, and the total price is 3,245. Next, if you can add product and you can add 20% of this order of extra charge, then click on plus 10. Here become a 20. Okay, here you can see the 20% extra charge is added in this order 390, then total is 2,340. So if you can payment this, and you can see here same as 20 extra charges added into the order. And if you can change the configuration, then go to the configuration point of sale, and here you can see the extra charges. If this is unchecked, then extra charge is not display in the POS session. Here you can see extra charge button is removed from here, and no extra charge is added here. And then if you can check the extra charge functionality in the configuration and add the charge product name. Here you can add a name and percentage of extra charges. Here add the extra charge product name and add percentage is 10. If you can add 5 here, and go to the shop and add extra charge. Here you can see default is extra charge is 5%, and add extra charges 5% is added. Now here you can see 97.50 is the extra charges added into the order. So this is all about the extra charge on POS. If you want to update with our new videos, then please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.